Don't you hate when you're getting out of the shower, you reach for a towel, and you get this? The dreaded loose towel rack. Well, you don't have to be afraid of it. I'm Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman. We're getting results at home today in Maitland, and I'm going to show you how to fix this with a $2 tool, some hardware that shouldn't cost you more than a few bucks, and about 20 minutes worth of your time. Any towel rack that I have ever worked on, for that matter, toilet paper holder too, is attached to the base with a single screw, and that screw is a hex end. So that means you need a hex tool like this. Some people call this an Allen key. If you got the one that came with the rack, that's perfect. That'll fit. In fact, what I did a long time ago was get myself a set of hex keys. So I got lots of different options. The reason I have two is because they come in metric and standard sizes. So this is what we found behind the towel bar, a giant hole in the drywall and a couple of different types of drywall anchors that aren't exactly doing what they're supposed to because there isn't exactly a whole lot of drywall for the anchors to hold on to. Now this is where you got to do what works for you. Understand that there are a whole bunch of different types of drywall anchors. If your drywall is intact, unlike this, and the hole is small, you could probably get away with a drywall anchor that's just a little bit bigger than your existing hole. For this situation, we're going to need something a little bit more heavy duty. This is called a toggle bolt, so this is different. It goes through the hole and then braces itself up against the back of the wall to give itself stability. We picked these up at Ace for $3 for a 2-pack. That isn't going anywhere. Now the next time you take a shower, you know your towel will be there when you get out. And remember, if you got a project at your house you'd like us to tackle, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com, and next week we might just show up in your shower. In Maitland, Eric Von Anken, Getting Results, News 6.
And if you'd like to watch it again, we have the whole repair on clickorlando.com. Look under the Getting Results at Home tab. Eric also posts step-by-step instructions and the list of materials and links so you can try it yourself.
And like Eric said, we are looking for our next DIY project. So send us an email, tell us what we can help you with at your home.